I'm falling, but they hate me when I get up. My ex, he did me dirty for some shorty up on Twitter, and now he feeling sick because he really lost the winner. See, he put that.
I need to blaze that in. 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 I need to blaze that in.
So it's currently like 8 o'clock in the morning, and I'm about to do my hair for you guys before I head out. My hair, I slept on my hair. I did not tie it down properly, so my edges are literally from yesterday and they're like messy. So we're gonna fix that up. But before we fix that up, you're gonna need a wig cap. So this is the wig cap I'm gonna be using. This is their dark brown wig cap. I prefer to use a dark brown just because it's closer to my skin tone, and you don't want to use a wig cap that's too light and it's showing underneath the wig. For your edges, you're gonna need two things. These are the two things that I like to use on my edges. I like to use spritz. Everybody always asks me what do I use to hold my edges. I do not use like edge booster or the eco style, nothing like that. I use spritz on my edges to hold my edges, and sometimes I use beeswax to help hold things into place, but spritz is the main thing for me. It really holds, like it holds. All I pretty much do is I take my spritz and I spray it on top of the entire front of my hair to get it wet again. If you have on makeup, be careful when doing this because it can mess up your makeup. So if you're not familiar with doing this with makeup on, then do it before you do your makeup. Now I'm just combing through the pieces of my hair that's gonna be out. Alright, now I'm gonna take my beeswax and I'm gonna put this on my hair. This is gonna help lay my hair down and make it look slick. And keep it flat because you want your hair flat underneath your wig cap. You don't want it too bulky. What I do is after I spray the spritz, I let it sit and get tacky. You want your spritz to get tacky because that's when it's ready to mold. You don't want to mold it when it's wet. You want to mold it when it gets really tacky. Alright, so this is looking good. You can see my edges looking really good. So now is when I'm gonna pretty much pull my hair back. You can use like a ponytail holder if you want to, and you don't really have to. I'm going to just because I want to like really hold my hair down. So I'm gonna put a ponytail holder in. My hair is on the shorter side, so it really don't matter. Now we're gonna apply the stocking cap. I'm gonna just pull it back to where you want your hair out. Looking good. Alright, so once all of this is on, you're pretty much ready to just go ahead and throw on your wig. So the wig that we're going to be using today is from the beauty supply store. I randomly was in there and I've been raving about doing these headband wigs, and I was in the beauty supply store. I saw these half wigs and I was like, wait a minute, headband wigs are literally just half wigs with a headband. So I was like, okay, let me get one. So the wig that I got from the beauty supply store is this wig right here. This is by Outre and this is called Stunna. It is so pretty, and this is in the color 1. It is synthetic, I believe, but they say you can use like heat up to 400, but I don't plan on using heat on it. I like it just the way it is. But this is literally just $25, and they do have other half wigs in a beauty supply store that's even cheaper than that. So if you're somebody that's been wanting to do these headband wigs and haven't been wanting to pay the price that they have on these sites, this is like a cheaper, more affordable option for you that's gonna work just as well. And to me, I'm definitely not knocking the wigs that they have on these wig sites at all, because those are like human hair wigs, so you can get more life out of those opposed to these that are synthetic. You probably get like a week or two if you're taking care of it really well, and you may just have to get a new one in like a week or two. So I'd say if you want something that can really last, invest in one of the headband wigs from these sites. But if you want something quick and easy and just fun, the beauty supply store is your place to go. So this is how it looks out of the packaging. It is super pretty. This is actually the second one that I got. I actually bought one first, wore it for like 2 days, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need to get another one. It's so pretty. Do you see these curls though? Do y'all see these curls? Do y'all see the bounce? It's so pretty. I'm actually going to show you guys the one that I've been wearing for the past 2 days and just compare it. So I'm going to compare it fresh out the packaging to how it looks after like 2 days of wear. So this one is fresh out the packaging, and this is the one that I've been wearing for the past 2 days. So I think it still looks, this one still looks pretty good. It just looks like the curls dropped a little bit, which is still cute. Like I said, I've been wearing it for 2 days. It's been working. It looks great to me still. And this is one fresh out the packaging. I love this hair, and it actually looks a little longer, yeah, because the curls drop. So this one is a little tad bit longer than how it is when it first comes out the packaging, but I love it. Both of them are in the color 1. Still looks good. So now we're gonna go ahead and apply it, and it does have combs on the inside, a big comb at the top, which I love because you can really tuck it in and secure it, and it has another big one down here at the bottom going across, and it does have like some elastic straps that you can connect, and it actually does have some baby hairs back here. It has some baby hairs, which is just so cute.
I need to taste that then. I need to taste that then. I need to taste that.
So the hair is super pretty. I do not comb my fingers through it. That's one thing I have not done. Even to the last one that I've been wearing for the past few days, I do not comb my hands through. I just leave it alone. Let it do its own thing. So these are the curls. Super pretty. Now we're gonna go ahead and add a headband. So the headband that I've been wearing for like the past few days which is actually a scarf, is this right here. I kind of fold it up and put it on as a headband. So you can either use like edge scarves, or you can use like big scarves and fold them, or headbands. Whatever you want to use, you can use. It's up to you. I just love it. It is so cute. I like to make sure like the chains on the head tie is showing. I did actually pick up a few different ones from the beauty supply store. I picked up this black one just because I need a black one for work. This is actually an edge scarf. And I got this in another color as well. I got it in like this royal blue. I'm not too sure. I might wear the blue one today. Let me take it out and see. Yeah, so this is the blue. Okay, this is pretty. Let's try the black one on just because it's black, so we can see how that looks. So this is the black. I like this one as well, if you're trying to be real discreet. Alright, let's try this other one. I love this one. I don't know, I just might wear this one today. I love this one. It's actually like a headband. It has like an elastic in the back just to stretch. I do like this one that is really tight. When I first got it in the beauty supply store, I thought it wouldn't be tight around my head, but it's tight. And I like that because it makes it feel secured. This one is so cute. I love this one. Yeah, if you want to run to the store, you can also do like an updo with this. Super cute. This is just fabulously cute. Like, so cute. But like I said, I do not rub my hands through the hair. I pretty much, like, most I will do is like shape the hair, but I will not rub my fingers through it. I just let it do its own thing. I don't want to mess with the curls or nothing like that. So, but as you can see, it looks just as good as if you went on one of these human hair wig sites and got a wig and did the whole headband wig thing. It looks just as good. I'm in love. So if you're looking for something very cheap and affordable where you can achieve the same headband wig look, then I'll definitely say check out your beauty supply store. I do want to give you guys another video like this. Let me know if you guys want to see me do like one that's more curly, possibly. Yeah, I think I want to do one that's more curly. If you guys want to see that, I will definitely go and get one and give it to you guys. I'm sorry for the noise outside, there's construction. I will link the hair in the description box for any way that you can get it online. And let me know what you guys think. So I hope you guys love this video and love this hair. And yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and also hit that notification bell. So I'll see you guys next time.